Greetings traders, it is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020, and your cherry bomb trade is in for the day, so get ready, get set. Maybe Tesla will be as lucky for us today as Google was yesterday. Though, because it's an iron condor that we're going to be looking at, I wouldn't expect any sort of fast profits like the ones we got in just 1 hour yesterday inside of Google. So I guess if you haven't checked it out yet, check out yesterday's video on Google. But today, we're looking at Tesla, which has a rank of 3 out of 4 for liquidity and an IV rank of 58. But by the way, its IV percentile is almost 90. So we are coming up to earnings. The expirations we're going to be choosing in this one will expire before earnings. So this is not necessarily an earnings play. However, you could also then maybe count on volatility not really going down all that much. Anyway, why don't we just get on in, build the trade, and check out our probabilities? What do you say? But first, allow me to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Neil, and this is Option Theory, where we build out a portfolio using ThinkOrSwim's simulated trading to test out our theories, to prove our profitability, to practice our management skills, etc. So if you are new here and you're new to trading, the best thing you can do besides subscribing to the channel is head on down to the description box and sign up for Tasty Trade's Cherry Bomb email blast. That's right, it comes from Tasty Trade. No, I don't get anything for the number of people that sign up. I just enjoy the content, and I think you will too. And so we put these trades on in a simulated trading platform so you can get all the learning without any of that real risk, right? But treat it like it's real money. And to my people that have been subscribed, my viewers that have already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Now, let's get on with building the trade. So I actually have the trade slightly modified here. And so we're going to take a look at this trade here, add simulated trade in the Analyze tab, and go to the Add Simulated Trade. All right. So I'm in the wrong underlying. I'm in Oracle. I want to be in Tesla, right? So I want to type that in there. You can see the trade that I have built down here, but we'll take a look at that in a second. What we'd be looking to do in this case, according to the Cherry Bomb email, is we would be building an iron condor where we would sell the 325 put, buy the 315. So we're doing a $10 wide in this one. Okay, we're selling the 19 delta in this case. And then where we sell on the call side would be up here at the 510, which is a 34 delta, and a buying the 520, which is a 32 delta. So you can see we'd be further out on the put side than on the call side. So slightly skewed on that way. However, when you build that, the probabilities are not good. They're 47% probability of profit on that one with a just over 50 P50 on that one. So I'm not a giant fan of that one. You can go ahead and build that one out if you'd like. But instead, what we're going to look at down here are the strikes that I find a little bit more interesting. I don't really believe this credit though. So we'll see what happens there, right? But anyway, what I'm looking at here is I'm trying to center this a little bit more. And so what I have here is a short 500 and then a long 510 call, right? So on the call side, we're short the 500. We are along the 510, still staying $10 wide. Here we are short the 315 put and then along $10 wide, right? A 305 put. So now that we've built out that trade, I'm going to hit the risk profile, and we'll see here that we have a 52%, almost 53% probability of profit. So we know our P50 is probably going to be a little better than that. I believe I put this together in Tastyworks, and we're looking near in the 60s, maybe like 63, 62% P50 on that one, which is, I think, a little bit more along the lines of what you see in the Cherry Bomb email blast. So, you know, things have moved, I guess, overnight. But this trade looks a little bit better for me. I doubt that this number is going to be right, though. My guess is it's going to be somewhere in the 400-ish range, the credit that we would receive. So yeah, you're going to have to check this one a little bit. So with that, we want to understand our max profit and max loss. But by the way, make sure that you set your calendar up here to the expiration for this one, which is the 24th. And I've set my price slices to break even. And you know what? Let's go ahead and set these to chart and see what we're looking at here. All right, so now we can see here that it has bounced around quite a bit. And now we have these red lines showing us, and I know that's probably pretty small to see. So let's go ahead and look at something like this, right? So now we can see we're looking for Tesla to stay anywhere between these red lines, and that will work out great for us. Of course, we're looking to manage this if it gets to, 50% profit in the next 30 days. That would be fantastic. I probably should have mentioned, and I think I didn't, that we are going to be in the October 23rd weeklies in this one. So yeah. All right, let's go ahead and right click this trade, choose confirm and send so that we understand our max profit. Yeah, I really feel like this is going to be more reversed. Expect these numbers to flip. So a max loss of like around $600, like you would see in the Cherry Bomb email that you get. All right, if you subscribe. But let's go ahead and hit send. Let's throw that in there. And now that we've got that in the working orders, let's drag this down and let's just show you real fast the trade that we had before. So, or the one that came in the email. I believe we are looking at the call side. We're doing the 510, 520. And then the put side, I believe, was 315 and 325. So make sure I got that right. That's a custom. I think I messed that one up. Hang on. We'll get this, doing it on the fly here. We want to do the 325. Did I get that? There it is. 315. 510, 525. How'd we do? Iron Condor. There it is. All right, let's hit that risk profile. Let's set these slices to break even. And we can see here we're looking at a 50% probability of profit on that one. So it was not that long ago in the 40s. So, all right. You can go with whatever one you like. Here are the numbers for you in case you didn't see them or you didn't get that email yet. But there it is. I'm going to go with the numbers that I picked. Feel free. Tell me which one you're going to go with. Are you going to go with my numbers? Or are you going to go with the numbers in the Cherry Bomb email blast? Or are you going to skip this altogether? Either way, I'd love to hear from you guys a little more in those comments. I appreciate your views. And at this point, I say thank you so much for making it this far into the video. So I'm going to give you the thumbs up. If you think I deserve a thumbs up, I'd love it if you hit that thumbs up as well. And if you have yet to subscribe, it's all right. If you want to wait another couple of videos to see if you want to subscribe, I get it. Totally get it, right? But maybe someday you'll subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified when our videos come out. Until I see you again in another trade, happy trading.